What's up? Bienvenida a mi casa. Come on in so I can show you around. All right, coming in. This is my entryway. I got this mirror from Target. This beautiful table from Home Goods, and if you look closer, it says Magnolia. If you don't know what that is, shame on you. So all my pieces in here are from Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I got those two items from TJ Maxx. They were like $12 each. I got this from Ross many years ago. And this is like the best candle ever from Bath and Body. So yeah, this is my entryway. I got this plant from IKEA, which the real plant is actually very expensive. So of course I had to get the fake one. Because I think this was like 60 bucks already. So yeah, this cute little basket, it's from Home Goods. Cost me like 16 bucks. All right, jumping into my living room. I got this couch from Ashley Furniture. It is super comfy, but if you have pets, I do not recommend getting this couch or this sectional. Pillows are from Home Goods. So pretty, look at the pattern. This one came with two. And then this one is actually from Magnolia too, the brand, Joanne Chip. I wanted another one, but I only found one, so I was so sad. And then I have this cute little frame from Target. By the way, by that frame is like a black spot, and I don't want you guys to think like I have a bug or anything. It's just a wire connected to my doorbell. Yeah, it's really raggedy. Yeah, ignore that wet spot right there. My godson came and he threw up last week, and I didn't realize it stained, so yeah. All right, so then I have this cute little rug from Target. I thought it was gonna be bigger when I ordered it online, but it's not. I wanna get another one, but I'm gonna wait because I'm always buying rugs. But yeah, this was from Target. It was like 200 bucks. That's why I'm like, damn, like the bigger size is like 500, and I don't think I want to spend that right now. So yeah. So these two little tables are separate. I got them from Home Goods, and honestly, I want to change it, but the way my house is set up, I haven't found the perfect one. So yeah. And this cute little decor is from Home Goods, of course. And then I got my little books. Then we move on to the TV area. I got that from IKEA. Super cute. And my dog wants to be all in the mix. So I got this cute little item from Target, and then this flower, I don't even know the name of it. It's from Ross. So there you have it. This is my living room. Ignore that because people don't know how to hide cords when putting cable in here. So yeah, this is my living room area. All right, so then we move on to this side, and this is like the chill area. I got this cute little chair from my boss, actually. Thank you very much. She was actually going to the trash, I believe, so I took her home and I fixed her up. Her leg was broke and I fixed it. which it left a little scratch, but I'll take care of that later. And yeah, this is that part. This is the chill area. And these are my cute little frames. If you're interested in these, I actually purchased these on Etsy, and then I just went like Home Goods and I got the cute little frame. The ones up here are from Target. Target as well. And then I got this one, of course, it's me and Cole, super cute. I'm trying not to be in the picture. But yeah, there you have it. This is my living room. On to my dining area, which I really love. I have all these cute little frames. I got that one from Home Goods, the llama. I have these, they come in pair. And these are from Target. Cactus right here. These three is a set as well. And I got that from Target. So these two come together from Target, and this three comes together from Target. And I got Mrs. Frida, the one and only. I got this one from Etsy. Got this one also from Target. And I have an empty spot right here, and I honestly have not found something for this side. So, but it still looks good. I mean, we got this empty spot right here. Honestly, the reason why is because I had something right here and I moved it. That's why it kind of looks kind of empty now that I'm thinking about it. So yeah, there was something right here with the plant and I moved it. So now it's looking like this. All right, so now going on to the dining area table. I got these two chairs online at Target. Oh my God, Target needs to just write me a check. So this actually came in pairs, and they were actually really cheap, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe $80. I'm not sure, or maybe like no more than like $100 for sure. But that is cute together. They actually have really bad reviews online, but I have no issues with it. And then this cute little dining table is from Rooms to Go. And then you have the bench, which is also from Rooms to Go, but they come separately. And we have this cute little light from Home Depot. Yeah, super cute. Shout out to Luis for putting this up there. And of course, the bar area. What you want to drink on me. This cute little bar cart is also from Target. For real, man. Target needs to cut me a check. And then I have those down there. It's just like glass and shot glasses and yeah. So, but it's super cute and it has like wood on the top. Yeah, I love it. I feel like the silver matches the dining area. And of course, I do have, it is okay to mix gold and silver together. Like, as you see, this is gold and this is marble, also from Target. So yeah, and then we go to the fireplace. I have the same exact mirror from the first, from the beginning of the video, from Target. And then I got this cute little plants from Home Goods. And all these little pieces are from Home Goods. So yeah, this is my dining area / fireplace. Super cute. And of course, Chase there too. And then you move on to my kitchen, which I honestly, the kitchen, I really haven't got a chance to decorate it. Why? I have no clue. But I have that from Home Goods. But yeah, this is my kitchen. It's actually really big. I ran out of paper towel, don't judge me. And that's cold little coffee spot because I do not drink coffee. But yeah, this is our kitchen. We actually had a lot of stuff in the kitchen, like over there we had like the smoothie maker, we had the air fryer, we have some other stuff, so I decided to take it out. And a little bit of stuff looks really good in the kitchen. So yeah, there's really not much in here, but that's the kitchen and then the dining area. So next is my favorite place to be at night, and that's the master bedroom. So here goes my bedroom. I have this beautiful pink and gray picture frame from Home Goods. This one was about $100, and I'm sure you probably can't find it no more. You know how Home Goods is when it comes to frames. Then we go to my favorite part, the bed. Now this is one of my most expensive purchase from Target. Yes, I said that again. I got this from Target. This is, I love this bed frame. It's navy blue and it's suede, as you can see. You get to Target, and I will try my best to link everything. Like if you're interested in something I bought, I will try my best to link it down below where I got it from, if it's still available. And if it's not, if you don't see it, it's because it wasn't available. But yes, this is my bed. I got this cute comforter from Home Goods. All right, now my nightstands are adorable. I actually purchased this also in Target. Then you move on here, I got these two little cute picture frames from Home Goods. They were like $30. Super cute. Then you move on, and I have on this side a cute dresser, which is blue. Now, if you want to know where I got this from, I actually did this myself. You can go to my videos on my channel and see how I made this happen. It was my dresser growing up, and it was in my mom's house, and I asked if I can have it, and I, you know, revamped it. So yeah. So then you move on to my restroom. There's really not much here, but these cute little curtains that I have, well, shower curtain, and I purchased this online. I honestly cannot remember the website. So if I can find it, and if I can go back to my history, my purchase history, I can figure it out and let you guys know. They have so many like different cute shower curtains, and yeah, I love it. It's super cute with the pink rug. All right, entering to my makeup room. This is the room that I take all my Instagram videos when I'm on my Insta story, and when I make my makeup videos, this is the room. Now, let me share a little story about my makeup room. This is a beautiful table that I made on my own. I got this from IKEA, the top. And then I got the legs also from IKEA, and they used to be black. I spray painted them, and then I glued it to the top, and you got yourself a big table. And then if you look at that, the shelf, I also did it myself. I purchased it from IKEA. It was black and I spray painted it silver, gold, not silver, gold. So yeah, as you can see, so this used to be black. The bottom piece was black as well. And so I just went to Michael's and I got this paper marble and I sticked it on to that so it can look expensive, and I did the same thing on the top. So you can hear it's just paper. Alright, so that's all. That is my house tour. Hopefully you guys loved it, and hopefully some of the decor that I have you guys can find at Target, Home Goods, or other places I shopped. And what I'm gonna do is, on the comment below, I'm gonna try to link all the items that I purchased that you were interested in. If I don't, that means they're sold out, because some of the items I've been having more than 2 years. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks again for watching and have a blessed day.